Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If they are too bitter for your taste, add a teaspoon or 2 of salt or lemon juice. Mix the greens, ham hocks and water. Continue adding a teaspoon of salt or lemon juice and tasting until the bitterness is cut.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Collards contain a lot of water, so they will shrink down when you cook them. To prepare collards, first wash them in a bowl of cold water with a dash of salt. Collard greens are delicious when just cooked and still tender. However, they are even better if slow cooked until they become soft.
Take our lead.
Vegetables that have leaves growing in a rosette form are the come again choices. Common vegetables like kale, collards, chard, leaf lettuce, Chinese cabbage and spinach grow as rosettes. Some that are not as common include mustard greens, cress, mizuna, endive, chervil, arugula and tatsoi.
Take our lead.
By adding baking soda, you make the water slightly alkaline, the opposite of acidic. This preserves a compound called chlorophyll, which gives vegetables like green beans, asparagus, Brussels sprouts and broccoli their vibrant, green color.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Can cooked collards stay out overnight? While the odds are they would probably be fine, food safety experts recommend throwing them out after 6 hours. It's entirely up to you if you want to risk it, but they have been shown to grow bacteria at room temp, and like you say, collard greens are pretty cheap.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you don't wash them correctly, they can have sand hidden in them. There is nothing more awful than taking a bite of collards and chewing grits of sand. If you don't cook them long enough, they are crunchy and tough. If you don't season them properly, they are bitter and earthy.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
First things first, kale and collard stems are tough, chewy, and fibrous. While we enjoy the occasional raw collard or kale salad, you should never eat the stems raw. Otherwise, the exteriors will burn before the stems have cooked through, making them both bitter and too tough to chew.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.